Your surgeon has ordered a CT scan before surgery to better understand your shoulder anatomy and evaluate bone loss or damage caused by arthritis and degeneration of the joint. For patients undergoing shoulder replacement surgery, this scan is one of the most important steps in the surgical planning process. A CT scan is a specialized type of imaging that uses multiple X-ray images to create a highly detailed three-dimensional model of your shoulder. Unlike a standard X-ray, this scan allows your surgeon to closely evaluate the shape of the joint, bone quality, bone loss, and alignment of the shoulder. Using this information, your surgeon can carefully plan your procedure before surgery even begins, including implant sizing, positioning, and alignment specific to your anatomy. This advanced planning technology helps improve surgical precision, increase efficiency in the operating room, and may help improve overall postoperative outcomes. Your surgical coordinator will assist in scheduling this study. It is very important that your CT scan is completed only at the imaging center coordinated by your surgical team. Not all imaging centers follow the specific scan protocol required for surgical planning, and some facilities may not provide images clear enough for the 3D planning software. Completing the scan at the wrong location or with the incorrect protocol can lead to delays, repeat imaging, additional costs, or incomplete surgical planning information. Whenever possible, your surgical coordinator will schedule your CT scan at a preferred imaging center that is convenient and close to your home. We appreciate your understanding that not every imaging facility is able to perform this scan correctly. For this reason, we will coordinate your appointment at a location we trust to provide the proper images under the required protocol. Orders for your scan will be sent to the imaging center in advance. Please bring your driver's license and insurance card with you to the appointment. You may eat, drink, and take your medications as normal before the scan, unless otherwise instructed. If your appointment is scheduled at a hospital-based imaging facility, please arrive early and look for the outpatient imaging department. If you are unable to attend your appointment for any reason, please contact your surgical coordinator as soon as possible so the scan can be rescheduled. Delays in completing the CT scan can delay the surgical planning process and may impact your surgery date.